Now we jumping on the truck, the members never coming back, trying to get on the attack. Willy cooking up some crap. A E11 but it's trapped, Nathan runs but has no map. Yeah, we got the lightning, it goes out, but riceballs they be slap. Ay. Aliens with these soccer balls, students trapped inside the halls, soccer champs like duty calls, then our XP always falls. Caleb driving the song saying surfers looking like Hurley Kane. You know what, just play the game, it's about soccer and not for fame. We be trying to get by, Hillman said we trailed this guy, half the members got a lie, they haven't practiced one time. Find the flaming striker, then the king of land of ice, then we got the FFI. Where we seen alien penguins and Dalmations, holy water with no salvation, radar forced to abdication, these hoes look like an infestation. Now they're talking about our club destruction, and these making games hard to function, music play while I'm at the junction, sabotage making our bus malfunction. Yeah, Mark Evans on this beat. Yeah, we try to keep it clean. This Bashushi is a theme, but we can't forget the Dean. Kevin's always in a rage, they should've kept him in a cage. You be looking trying to gauge, but I just turn the page.